Let's cook Japanese food. The dish is 超絶柔らか鶏むね漬け, which directly translates as super soft pickled chicken breast. If you have just started living in Japan and is wanting something else aside from the typical Japanese convenience store food such as bentos, onigiri, and sando, I highly recommend this one. If you are outside Japan but has access to sake for cooking, you can cook this one. This recipe is from this Japanese YouTuber. He got tons of recipe videos. I have started living in Japan since last year, and his channel has been helpful in experiencing Japanese foods that are not commonly available in convenience store and restaurant chains. I'll add a link to his channel down below. Also, for the list of ingredients and recipe, just check the description box below. Let's start. Green onion, or in Japanese, naganagi. Most of the flavor of the dish will be coming from this one. You can cut it in any way you want, as long as it's not in ring shape and it's small enough. In my case, I'll be doing the same way how it was cut in the reference video. Aside from that one, salt and sugar, half a teaspoon. Sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon. Lemon juice, a teaspoon. Black pepper, as much as you want. Oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon. MSG, according to the video, 8 drops will do. But in my case, I added as much as I want. And then mix it. Once this one's ready, just place it inside the fridge as the chicken's being prepared. In cutting the chicken, make it thin as much as you can. Its thickness matters a lot since cooking time is very short. Now here's one tip. If you can, slice the meat in just 1 to 2 strokes to make a clean cut. This ensures the meat fiber intact. Once the chicken's ready, add salt and pepper. This should go first before the other ingredients for the meat to have flavor. And after that, sake, 1 tablespoon. Potato starch, 4 teaspoons. Potato starch is added so that the meat can retain its moisture. Once this is finished, the chicken is ready for cooking. So I have here boiling water, and I'll be dropping the slices one by one. Don't drop it all at once. The slices are gonna get stuck with each other and they're gonna get clumpy. In the reference video, the chicken was boiled for around a minute, but just to be sure, I made it 1.5 minutes. Don't cook it too long. It's gonna make the meat hard. After that, strain the meat. An important point, never wash the chicken with cold water or even make it cool down. Immediately add it to the green onion mixture. The heat cooks a bit of the spring onion, making it less spicy. And give it a little mix.
You can eat it as it is, or if you'd like, you can place it in the fridge, make it cool down, and eat it. It's always best paired with rice, but if you want to eat it with something else, then yeah, be my guest.
Thank you very much for staying until the very end. If you want to see some more Japanese cooking contents or simple tours around Japan, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. If you have some questions, please comment them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, bye.